Hello there. Welcome to Mechanic Built.
That's Nick, I'm Jared, and we're in a truck. It does things.
It runs, actually, surprisingly.
With no check engine lights, surprisingly.
Check out on this episode of what shenanigans we're about to do.
Come hither. You see this wire? Hold on. No. Oh, you see? You don't need to see that wire, apparently.
There's the wire.
Yeah, so here is the wire. This wire right here, instead of doing it the cheesy way where you can just wrap tape around it and then it's going to corrode anyways and it's going to cause it to fail, we're going to chop it in half and leave it that way. No, we're going to use our solder seal connectors and then we're just going to make sure it's all good and that way it's repaired properly. And if anyone says, well, you cut it, you've obviously never worked on a fuel pump before because most of the time you have to cut the wires and solder them back together anyways. And then from there, we are going to try and start diagnosing our clutch because right now we have a clutch that you can set it and forget it wherever you want to put it. So we need to figure that problem out. And also we can't run the engine because we need to put new oil in there. And yes, I said oil because, you know, Japanese oil. You ready? Yeah, ready. Let's do work. All right, you need to lower the truck.
The battery's down there, so yeah, we're good. I think we're
Battery's not in the car. All right, first things first. All right, now, yeah, wires cut. Oh, yes. So I dump all this on the ground.
All right, you have like 465 pickup?
I like the wires to engage into each other with different schools of thought. Does it really matter? Probably not.
It's a little toasty there, bud. Oh, hey, you want to use a heat gun? There's a lot of bugs right there, dude. You see the bug?
Oh. Yeah.
Those spiders?
Oh, there's something. Oh yeah, it's a bunch of baby spiders.
It's a bunch of baby spiders. Oh,
I
God.
have a solution for that.
Oh, okay. He didn't grab the brake clean.
Kill the younglings! Kill the younglings! I'm making Palpatine proud. Kill the younglings!
Now, should we test that before we tape it all up?
Should we?
Yes.
You don't trust yourself? I trust you.
I don't trust saying.
I trust you.
I made a lot of bad decisions to say otherwise.
Positive and then the negative. I say that's good.
Still works!
A lot of spiders.
There's a lot of spiders.
We need to make Anakin proud in here too.
Kill the younglings! Alright, I'm done. All righty then.
And that's the 1/4 inch of play you got?
1/4 inch, yeah.
All right. Cool. All right. Going all the way up?
It is all the way up.
Cool.
Before we started dismantling the drivetrain of this Mazda B2300, Jared and I decided to do the smart thing and actually start cleaning the inside before taking apart the transmission shifter.
This is new to me. Couldn't figure this out. No, there's this nut that went onto here for some reason, but I don't see that coming off.
You know why there's threads on the other side? To press it out. Ford engineers are weird.
It's a lot faster. Here we go. The rest of that just plops down.
Sketchy stuff? Sketchy stuff. It says that
Yeah.
it's rated for 450 pounds.
So we fought the drive shaft. It was rusty. We had to use fire. We had to jack up the rear end. We got it off. We got it dismounted. We got the crossbar off for the support of the rear transmission, and that's where Nick takes over.
Today is day 2, and basically we kind of did a quick, hey, let's take this apart. We had a limited amount of time, and we just started to whack at it, right? Not whacking off. We whacked at it, got a lot off. Like Jared said, he took off the drive shaft, and we got everything unbolted on the transmission, and it seems like it is seized. We don't know if our rear main seal might be completely f***ed at this point. Cross our fingers. Hopefully it's not the rear main seal, and Jared's right. And if I'm right, well, guess what? It's just gonna be more money towards this truck, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna get to it.
Yeah, and then speaking about this tranny, so now you can insert a shaft into it, and it also has a stick, so it is a true trans.
We're demonetized. We gotta just try to pry this sucker off.
It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, go. Do that. It's going. It's coming. It's off. you go. She is free. We might have had a leak there. IMC made in somewhere. Yes, there is oil in here, but it's not like fucking pissing down.
How's the clutch looking?
Paper thin. Clear?
Yep. That's not a clutch, that's just a disc. Woo, wrong direction.
Are you serious?
Oh, it is a 10. Someone put the 12 with the 10 was.
There you go.
Just need a bigger screwdriver. Yay! Hey, hey! Nipple. Son of a bitch, why are you moving? There you go. Time to torque the slave. Okay, maybe not 25. It's starting to feel sketchy, but.
Alright, well, we'll go back a little bit. Okay. Like, it has to go up or it has to be angled more. I'm trying to figure out how to do this breaking my back.
Ready?
Yep. There you go.
Sketchy, but not so sketchy.
Oh. It was just done the way it was done. The only thing that made it sketchy is your shenanigans. Because I'm moving the whole drive line.
Yeah, just scared me.
I'm not putting any more torque than the engine was on it. Right?
Right.
You drain it off?
Yeah. 15-year-old oil right there, bud.
Yeah, it looks pretty watery.
Looks like 520. It looks like it was changed before it set.
Probably would.
Pretty clear. Oh yeah, that oil. Look how I can see through it.
Yeah, no oil.
15 years, yeah, it's been replaced, but see all the dirt right there. Look how clean that bag is, yeah.
Yeah, get some nice camera shots for you. Yeah. Yeah, laminar flow. Oh yeah, laminar flow.
Is that the last one?
Yeah. Watch the laminar flow. It's flowing. Oh yeah. It's better from my angle.
Yeah, look what I can do. Yeah, stayed up. The new clutch switch is in there with the new rod, and the master clutch cylinder fought us, but slightly over.
Slightly under.
Oh, really? Interesting. Okay, we're neutral. Hey, clutch switch did clutch switch things.
We had a little lifting noise. Trying to find its own ass.
We're good.
It's running rough as but it needs plugs and
Yeah, doctor.
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 It was pressurized.
Straight water?
Straight water.
Sweet. Check engine lights on.
It's electronic throttle, huh?
No, it's a cable. Where?
Oh, exactly. Right. Does it increase?
Yeah. It's the same actually, it didn't increase.
We're gonna need to do a combustion test.
Yeah, we are going to. I mean, especially if the hose is that tight.
But there was no oil, water in the oil. So we should be good. That just might be bad gas and plugs. That oil is clean, but I want to see if we're up to the right level or not. Dude, it is not. Oh, I know why that is. I already saw it. The dipstick tube's all the way in. Alrighty then. You want to stand over the camera while I clean up your mess? Give more throttle. You need more gas than that. Good? You're good. Give it a little more throttle. Don't be afraid to let the clutch out. You can always push it back in. You'll get it. I knew you were going to fall.
I can't. My legs are short. I got short leg problems right now.
And put the seat forward.
I don't know if I can.
Do you need me to drive? Make sure we got a power steering flowing. You can use the fluid. And it's dirty, but we're good. Give her some exercise. All right, that's a later problem. I mean, every one of these trucks does that. Yeah, turn the wheel all the way, and back her up. Don't worry, you're just breaking in the clutch.
Giving him more throttle.
It's a 4-cylinder, dude.
I know.
$2,000, 1,500, $2,000. There you go. That's too much. I give him benefit of the doubt. It's been a while since he drove a manual.
Brake check.
Well, the brakes you already checked. They're good. Yeah, give me some revs. Oh yeah. All that 4-cylinder goodness. We can move the seat. Feed the clutch in more, but you got this. Just ride the clutch. Go slow, but you got this. Keep going. You're not even on the lift yet. You got like 2 feet. There you go. Now slow it down. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. That's good enough.